Okay, so this is the second hive check. I should have done it weeks ago, but I've been busy with other things and other animals. So let's see. Where's my tool that I want? Also, my smoking skills have gotten better. Let me pick it up. I have a second 10 frame that I think they're ready to use. So I'm just gonna show you what they look like, empty. Okay, anyway, these have a beeswax coating on them and they'll just build on top of it. See, it already has like the shape for them. And the reason I think they're already ready for this is because the frames that were in this one were already built on by my other bees, so that was less building that they had to do. Okay, yeah, they're getting mad at me. Let me get my tools. I gotta clean up around here. I fixed their water. Huzzah. I'm gonna get like underneath, kind of. Oh my. If their water falls again, I'll just pick it up. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I know, y'all getting mad. Oh goodness. It looks like they've attached it to the lid. Go figure. Oh. Gee, y'all. Okay. Ooh-wee. Look at that honey. Okay, there's a ton of bees. There is honey. Just everywhere right here. Ooh, that looks awesome. Okay, it's so hard for me to get my phone out of there, so let's... Okay. Yeah, it looks so neat. I'm gonna cut some of that out so that way y'all like don't see my house. Gotta stay safe out there. Ooh, that's unsettling. Where I have these patches on my arm, I can like feel the air. It made me think like I don't have a suit right there. Okay, I love that now. This doesn't want to stay. Please cooperate with me. Okay. Okay, yeah, you can see it. Oh, so steady. Already, okay. Look, I'm doing this in the evening because it's been raining 4 days. And it's been so hot. We're gonna start with this frame. I think this time, last time I didn't pull all the frames, but this time I think I want to, just to see if they really need that second box. And I think they do. I don't like how they built. They are connecting everything, so it's going to be so messy. Okay, I can't even get that in there. Okay. Sorry. Gee, I didn't mean to squish you. Okay. Let me split it right here. Excuse me. Excuse me, madams. Oh, hello, people on my arm. Okay, let me do this. Yeah. Okay, y'all are right my way. Excuse me. I try not to squish nobody, but they're always in my way. Oh, come on. Okay, that maybe works. We will see. They are everywhere in my way. Excuse me. Oh my word. I just gotta wiggle this in there. I can't get it in. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, I'm gonna squish you. Ooh, let's do that. Okay, that should work. We are working now. Finally. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I just need one. Whew. Bee glue is no joke. They don't mess around. I just want the one thing. Oh yeah, there's already honey coming out everywhere. Look y'all, I know, but I gotta inspect. Ooh. I might cut this out and speed it up. This is awful. Oh man, I just want one frame. Ooh. Okay. Now that is a honey frame. Oh, if I ever seen one. Oh my word. Oh my word. I've never seen this. Again, this is only my second year. Oh my word. Ooh, we got capped brood at the bottom, it looks like. Look at that honey. Oh. I actually can't eat honey. I'm allergic, so. But it looks nice. That's capped honey. See, the capped brood looks different. I'm trying to. Whew. Wow. They have been working. I'm gonna put this back. There's so many of y'all in here. My goodness. What is that? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I see something in there I do not like. Okay, I'm gonna have to improvise here. Sadly, I don't have the thing that holds your frame on the side. So I'm just gonna stick it in this hive. Let's take out some frames. Okay, I see something. And the beehive, that is not a bee. It is a big baby. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to try and get it out. I don't know what that is. I don't want it in here. What is this? There's like an... I don't know what that is. Okay, excuse me, y'all. I don't know what that is. I don't want that in here. Okay, we're gonna have to move one more frame. I can't get it out. That looks disgusting. Oh yeah, y'all get mad at me. I don't want the pheromone on me. I'm gonna have to like smoke myself in a minute. Gonna do a little circle. Maybe that'll mask their pheromones that they probably put on me. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh yeah, this is definitely capped brood right there. Yeah, look at that freaking honey. Shoo-wee. Let me flip this around, do this a little better. It's so hard to flip these. Okay. Oh, yep, there's little babies. That's important to look for. Little babies, got honey. A lot of capped brood, materials. Oh my word. I feel absolutely awful. I think those were bees. Because look, right here's one. Oops. Ooh, what's wrong with you? It has like a little bald spot. Oh, that's a drone. Yeah, he doesn't have any varroa. I don't see none. Yo, I'm so sorry. It's not like I wanted to break this. Oh yeah, there's some babies in there. I know the camera won't pick it up. I see a lot of drones. They're licking honey off of each other. Let me let y'all watch that for a minute. See, the capped brood looks different than the honey because to me it looks like puffs. Especially on this corner, it looks like little puffs. I don't know how else to explain that. The queen wouldn't be on this. It's already full. There's babies. I see little eggs and all the empty ones. There's nothing left for her to do on here. Oh wow, that one's carrying building supplies. Okay, that looks funny. I'll put this one back. I feel so bad that some of the babies fell. It's only like 2 though, so that's good. It's a low amount. Look, it is not my fault that they built these sticking together. Is there somebody right here? Okay. Oh, sorry. Y'all please watch yourselves. Just scoot that over. Scoot, scoot. I gotta check all these frames. I'm sorry, but I didn't last time. Please tell me I have some smoke. Y'all getting a little angry. Oh yeah, they're mad. Yep. See one stinging me on my wrist. Get away. No, stop trying to sting me. Shoo. Oh, I see the stinger. Okay. I do not want to stung y'all, please. It is nerve-wracking coming out here every time after you find out you're allergic. Somehow I'll have to post pictures of what happened to my arm that got stung. But all I've ever heard was if you're allergic to something, your throat will start closing up and you can't breathe. Nobody said anything about your heart. It was affecting my heart bad. And of course I didn't tell the doctor because I already have heart problems. I didn't know that was related to the thing, so oh well. I do not have an EpiPen, that's what I'm trying to say, I guess. Okay. Oh, y'all are so mad. Why? I'm helping you, okay? Like, you could have mites in here that I need to know about. Y'all attach that together, get me. Okay. That's a you problem. Could you scoot? Thank you. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Okay, wow, these are heavy. I'm not used to this. Okay, a ton of eggs. A ton of cat brood. Okay, there is babies all over the bottom, as you can see. They have built extra hive. Look at that. I haven't even looked at this side. Let me try to look. It is so hard to flip this around. These drones are huge. I can always tell the drones just because their eyes are outrageously large. Yeah, see, this is the capped honey. It's more white, and then the capped brood is like puffy. Again, I don't know a better way to explain that. But look at all the babies that are gonna hatch on this side. My word. I really want a better look over here, but I'm trying not to squish anybody. Ah, they built on the bottom. Yes, I can hear you in my ear. Excuse me. Babies. Eggs. Don't want to drop that. That'd be awful. Huh. Looks good. See, this is what I mean. I think they're definitely ready for a second box. This one back. Whew. Okay. Whew. I know, y'all mad at me, but there was nobody right there. It was perfect time. Oh man, I don't got no smoke. You know what? I'm actually gonna make more. I have a few smoking pellets out here. I just got them cheap off of the Amazon. I usually throw a few of these in with a paper towel. Won't last long without the paper towel. Let me just like throw a few more, maybe like 2. Now they're actually not that mad at me because I don't hear them right now. Yeah, look how many. I'll bring the camera over again. Hold on. Trying to catch these on fire, but they don't want to light. Go figure. Come on. This is why I recommend the paper towel. Oh. I have one that I've used as tissue, but oh well. The paper towel wipes easier. Come on. Give me some smoke. Okay. We're good. If I could close the lid. Come on. Oh, smoke myself. That's a little better. If they have like 8 of these full, nice. Anyway, if they have about 8 of these full, I'll put the second box on. But I really think they're ready for it. I mean, it's stuffed in here. Oh, this one's gonna break, I can tell. They're gonna be mad, it's full of honey. I don't know why they do that. Ugh. I need this. Ooh, sorry. I didn't get stung. I just felt one under me. Man, I wish this would smoke already. Let me check that again. It's so done. My paper towel went out. Okay, that should work. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, that's better. Man, I had such good smoke earlier, but I'm taking so long. Excuse me. You're always right where I don't want them. Okay. Come on. Y'all gotta move. Please. I need y'all to move. Ah, yes. Perfect. Oh, sorry. Come on, little strength, I need you. Oh, these are, yeah. Oh, it's connected. Again. I'm gonna need my other tool. Where did I put it, though? That's a good question. Okay, here it is. We got it. Okay, which one was it? This one, for sure. Y'all, scoot. I need y'all to move. Almost. You're almost out of my way. Okay, no. Okay. Gee, y'all. You do not want to help me. Ugh. They look like little ants or something. Ah, see, look, they still got plenty of work to do. Why is that baby not in a thing? I don't know. What we got over here? Supplies. Okay, another person stinging me. Babies. Honey. Eggs. Yep, there are eggs. Yeah, there's one stinging my thumb over there. This one's still pretty empty. I think y'all can see that. Oh, of course they built on the bottom. Yeah, let's just build on the bottom. Put y'all back in. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, you better watch out. Ugh. I know, y'all not happy with me. It smells seems like they have 4-3 frames that they could do better on. That's a drone. I wonder if I could come over there and show you all. Like, his eyes, outrageous. Look at him. They're huge. Guess he's getting clean or something. I don't want these stingers on my thumb. I don't want to get stung. Oh, wow. Apparently a lot of you have been stinging my thumb. Anyway. I need that. Okay, this one is next. Can I get these out of my thumb? I guess not. Okay. Well, I don't like that. We'll start on this end where it's like quieter. Well, maybe there's already bees in my way. Yeah, excuse me. Gee. Oh, I see you buzzing your wings. Ooh, so scary. Ah, I'll deal with that later. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, they have built on it. Okay, no, that's the old junky comb because it's all brown. Oh, I see honey. Not much. They still have a lot of work to do, but see, they'll build onto it. Except it'll be yellow. This is old. Got some more honey. Are there any eggs? No eggs, just honey. Man, they are building up a store. For real? It's like canning. You know, they're building up their storage to last, and that's how I think about it. I mean, they basically are canning. I mean, they're covering it. Okay, let's just use this really fast. There are so many bees. My phone is vertical. If I could do it horizontal, I would like show you all better. Okay. Almost got it. Okay. Oh, we don't want to drop that. It's so uneven and heavy on the one side. Look how heavy it is on this side, especially because it's full of honey. You have this awesome side and then you have nothing. I wasn't prepared for that. Okay, so we got honey. No babies. That's okay. What's over here? See, these are easier to turn around. They have less people on them. Honey. So much honey. Phew, no wonder it's heavy. I'm looking. There's a hair in my mouth. Oh, it's bothering me. Oh, I can't get it. Okay, no babies. But they have worked on every, yeah, I'm going to give them the $6 for sure. They've worked on every frame. Because those were at the very end, so, you know, if they worked on these, they've worked on them all. I am going to check them anyway. I think there's only 2 left, because I can see where I tore them apart. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there's only 2. Where's my little tool? Where's my red one? Here it is. Ooh, I can't wait to get that hair out of my mouth. I'm dying. Okay, excuse me. Y'all, if I ever get stung, I will be in pain. It will be obvious. And I will end the video. So I can go, obviously, tend to my wounds and either go to the doctor or go to the hospital. I didn't get an EpiPen last time, but it took 2 weeks for the sting site to go down on like 2 or 3 different meds. And again, it affected my heart really bad. I already have minor heart issues. So I didn't think anything of it. I didn't know it was connected to the bee sting. I don't want to get my bee brush. I don't like bee brushes because they always get stuck in it. Then I have to swing the brush around and get them out. Excuse me, y'all. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Oh, wow. A lot of honey. Very, very heavy. More honey. Oh. Let me set this down for a second. I want to get a better grip. I am not used to these being so heavy. I have something to show you on here. Okay, let me try to get my finger over here without squishing anybody. Where is it? I just saw it. There it is. Are there babies in here? Let me see. Surprisingly not. But there's something I want to show y'all. You see that little cup right there? It's like looking at you. It's facing the camera. The bees keep walking on it. Let me... Right here that the bee is on, that little cup. My bees always do this. And this isn't the first one I saw today, but that is where they will put a queen bee. And you can always tell because it's that weird little shape. I always call them princess bees because they're not queens yet. Oh gee, it looks like it's about to rain. There's only one more, and then I have to put that one back. I've never added a second box before. So I'm thinking, I'm not gonna move any frames up. I think I'm just gonna let them build. I might leave that one frame there, I don't know, I might. And then I'll just put an empty one in here so they can build on it. So that way they know they can, you know, go up instead of trying to build down like what they are doing. The one time I had them really angry with me, I had to spray myself with a water hose because they would not leave me alone. No, these aren't angry right now. They're agitated. Because when they're angry, I had almost every bee on this part of my face, and I could see their stingers trying to get me. Nobody's on my face. They're just flying around me. I gotta stop throwing my tools. I keep losing them. It's so weedy over here. So that way, you know, they have at least a patch of flowers that don't vanish. Get mowed over, you know. Oh, that's heavy. That is heavy. A ton of honey. A ton of honey. Oh, what's going on with you? That one has something weird going on with its bottom. Did it like just emerge or I don't know. What's this one look like? Oh, this one might have eggs on it. I can't tell. Excuse me. Excuse me all. Not an egg. I'm impressed. The other side is so full of honey. But when you know when you can harvest honey because it'll have the white over it. I haven't seen the queen. I think she was on one of the first frames because that's where the eggs were. Look at that honey. It's heavy. It's at least a few pounds. Don't ask me how heavy. I don't even know how heavy a milk jug is. And there's just so much honey. Oh, is that a dead bee getting taken off? Okay. Anyway, that was all the frames. Oh, wait, that's connected. There is one left. I really thought this was it. But I see one that is still connected. It's the last one. Okay, y'all, please don't get squished, because then y'all will get mad at me. Oh, yep, see? I told you I want to move. Okay. I don't think I'm going to film every check-in. I think I wanted to film this one because I was going to add the second box. Okay, perfect. I got this. Gonna need it. Okay, that was not hard. Oh, I need to wipe my nose so bad. It's so sweaty. Okay, I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. I might just use this tool. As long as it doesn't drop them, please. Oh, no! I lost my grip. Okay, we're gonna have to use the other tool for sure. Again, I lost it. Okay, it's right there. Which one was it? Is it this one? Yes. Here's my... Shooey! Oh, that is interesting. Oh, there's honey dripping on the bottom. My bad. Oh, there's eggs all over this line. That's awesome. There's a chance she's over here hiding. They love hiding. Aw, I wish y'all could see the eggs. They're just so teeny. Wait, let me see what this side looks like. Okay. Ooh. Oh, hello. Did you get off my hand? Girl, it's really about to like storm. I gotta hurry and get out of here. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, there are so many eggs. There's still a few empty dots though. So there's still space for more. So this is where she must have left off. Well, she got like half the hive done. That's great. No mites. That's great. You will get Varroa again. I think I said that in the first one. It is sadly inevitable. They're really easy for me to see, but I don't see any. I'm about to not be able to see. It's getting dark. Sorry, everybody. Can't turn this around. Okay. Let me see. Oh, there's eggs all over this side too. Okay. I mean, she could be literally on the bottom and I wouldn't know because, you know, they're hanging off of it. Look at that. You can see that bee crawling in that comb. That's interesting. Don't tell me that's a capped queen. I don't know. I don't like the shape of that. I really do think that's a capped queen cell because it's off the frame. Which they will do if they think they ran out of space. Again, even though they have these empty places, they're picky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're done. We're done. It looks bad. It looks bad out here. We're gonna close this up. We're gonna close that up. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put an empty frame in here. 2 empty frames. Silly me. Is this upside down? No, it just doesn't want to go in. Come on, go in. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this empty one in place. I'll put it over here. It's like busy over here. Girlies, if you don't want to get rained on, I need you to cooperate. It is so dark all of a sudden. Please. Yes, I know y'all mad. I know. I'd be mad too. Okay, we're just gonna do this. I'm sorry, y'all just gotta move. There's gotta be a way I can like cram this in there. I know, there's only 9. Okay. 2. Can't. This is an emergency. This is literally an emergency. Y'all are actually going to be rained on. Dad, if you don't... This is exactly why I haven't checked on you in so long. It keeps raining. Okay, I think that might be it. Almost. No, wait. Let's scoot this one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Oh, they're holding arms. They're trying to keep their frames connected. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm fine. I'm throwing a frame in here. Watch your arms. Girl, I don't like how windy it is. Okay, picked up my phone. It flew away. Oh, wow. Okay, they got the water. That's awesome. Anybody in the meat brush? What was that? Wow, my phone is all crooked. This looks amazing, by the way. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that smoke out of there. Well, that was that video.